Good morning traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So Friday was a green day. We did close up sort of in a range bar, but to be expected with the Apple split and the rebundling. So at the moment we are still aiming for this gap. So there's a level and then there's a daily gap up there. We'll just pick that up off the 3 hour. It's going to be a bit easier. But for now, trend is up. We are sort of breaking up above previous highs and coming back to test them. But in this scenario here, we have not really come back to this area here. And that's where the gap is. So we're looking for 28,653. 28,650 is what we're looking for a pullback, and then we're looking for some support to be found there. I just want to run across to the gap quickly just to make sure we have that in correctly. Okay, gap is slightly above, and if you look to the left, you can look at the areas where prices found resistance here, resistance here, resistance, support, 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 support before the gap down. If I look even further back, you can see resistance, 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 support, a bit of resistance, but then we fell below that. So anyway, that is the area to pay attention to. So we're looking for a pullback back into this area here of 28,653, and if we just get to the hour, then we're looking for 28,930 and 28,979, and I would add 2,900 into the mix as well, being a round number. So that is kind of the move to the upside. Just bear in mind that we do have the rebundling of the Dow Jones today. So that happens at market close today. So not sure how that's going to affect the markets, but we will find out today. So for now, I think not pointless trying to get long and up here. It doesn't matter that you've broken up above these highs here. I expect a pullback, a decent sized pullback. So long as we don't drop below these lows here, there's going to be an opportunity to buy, and then you're looking for the next target, which is going to be 28,970 area, and then if you get through that, then it's 2,900 area. Okay, so that's kind of my view today. Really not interested in this right now. Wait for the pullback, get in for the buy. Stop is going to be below these one of these swing lows. Yeah, I'll probably take this swing low here, which is around 28,490. Okay, so that's kind of giving me my stop area, and you can see there's a lot of support there as well. So there was resistance, support, 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 support. So that would be the most logical place to put your stop after the pullback. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.